Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine Palompa Kalakar, taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. We are the Group 1, the ERP5. In this presentation, you will learn the requirements of this class, the features and functions, the project demonstration, and the conclusion. But first, we will define what is ERP.
ERP is an open source ERP written in Python. It is part of the software stack developed and maintained by Nexity that also includes Wendelin for big data and machine learning, and Slop OS for cloud deployment and orchestration. Whereas most ERPs are business field specific, ERP5 uses a single model called Unified Business Model. Because of its generic nature, ERP5 has over the years been implemented across multiple industries around the world.
Banking, government, automotive, tolling, trade to manufacturing, and aerospace.
I am Denise Alcejo and I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. ERP5 can be used for ERP, CRM, BMS, e-commerce, e-business, finance, data analytics, web publication, API publication, online office suites, app store, and more. ERP5 cannot be used as a reporting tool. It can interface with Palo, or as a GIS system, it can interface with OpenStreetMap. The following criteria can help you assess whether ERP5 is a suitable solution for you. You need a flexible, scalable, or unified business platform for your own company. You need a flexible, scalable, or unified framework to build a vertical solution. You are an executive and you are ready to supervise deployment of your business platform. You are a developer and you are ready to learn ERP5 in depth. You are a developer and you need a quick solution for invoicing and accounting. You need a unified business platform that can be fully accessed through API and run 24/7.
Good day everyone, my name is Charles Vansorcio Abueva. I'm taking Bachelor Information Technology. Today I'm going to discuss the functions of ERP5. So first, functions are the document management system. Second is multiple business templates. Then web publication system, ingestion system, sync mail tool. Document Management System, or DMS, is used to receive, track, manage, and store documents and reduce papers. Multiple business templates. This business template supports creating various accounting transactions and generating reports. Web Publication System is a system which allows you to create rich website application for a short time. The system supports structuring, translation, and versioning. Ingestion system. So ERP5 provides an ingestion system which supplies images, files, documents, and PDF documents into a portal using a special tool. SyncML tool. Synchronization engine based on the SyncML protocol, which makes it possible to distribute the data on several sites without need of a permanent and rapid connection between these sites. That also allows the mobile users, like phone, to use ERP without permanent connection.
Good day everyone, I am Milrayan Marce, taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I will be discussing the features of ERP5. There are 10 main features of ERP5, including order management, supply management, warehouse management, invoicing, private, and public analytical accounting, bill of materials, production orders and reports, material requirement planning, supply chain management, customer relationship management, ticket management system, contact management, payroll, online order management, LDAP, connectivity. ERP5 has three feature advantages. Complete converge. ERP5 covers accounting, customer relationship management, trade, warehouse management, shipping, invoicing, human resource management, product design, production and project management. Customizable workflows everywhere. All ERP5 business processes are implemented based on ZOP transactional workflows. Workflows directly describe the business process of the customer. ERP5 workflows can be customized through the web and extended to fit each customer specific needs. Variations everywhere. All resources in ERP5 can be variated in any number of dimensions, providing built-in configuration for products and reduced design cost for bill of materials and bill of operations, as well as structured rule-based approaches to complex pricing.
Hello everyone, I'm Christian from Carval. Today I'm gonna show you how to use ERP5. So let's start. Before we continue using the ERP5, first we should download it on erp5.com/deploy. In the ERP5 Getting Started page, you see three different types of installation. One for Linux, virtual machine, and for the Slap OS. But we are going to use a virtual machine because there is no need to boot in a different OS and you can use it with your current Windows system. Then let's click on how to set up a virtual machine to continue. Download and set up it and let's proceed. First, open your ERP file and go to New in tab menu. Select Persons. Inside the person page, you can see all the details that you need to input, and I'm going to use my personal info as a guide. Inside the organization tab, I'm going to create my own organization as an example. The role I choose is a client. And email that an example. Street address, my address, and I'm also using real postal code. Save, and it looks and you should create your organization and save. After finishing the save, you can create more advanced details of your account. and save. And I'm going to validate it. Second, I need to create a user. You can log in with your account using your created user. Second is to validate your organization and to add financial information. Registered capital is the starting money that you would like. And I need to validate it. I'm going back to person page and to add an assignment. And to start the assignment. To back to organization to create financial information of the organization. The currency that they use is euro. Sorry for my background, so noisy. to validate my financial in my organization. As you can see, it shows that I am validate. Back to ERP5 person. And to set the relation of my company to my created account or person. That's for all. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Nino Carlos G. Bautista, and I'm going to be discussing to you on how to manage document versioning in ERP. So first, I'll be discussing on how to create a document in ERP5. Please refer to the pictures being shown. In ERP5, you can create many different documents. In order to add a document, you can click on the tab New, then choose the kind of document you want to create. In our example, we will create a text document. So there are different kinds of documents you can use. There are file, drawing, PDF, text, presentation, spreadsheet, image, and web page. Upload the file. Once you save all information required to classify the document, you can upload the original document into ERP5. For that, you just have to click on Browse, then to select the document on your computer. It will then write the path to the document into the field. When you click on the Save button, the document is then uploaded and converted. You must take a look at the file state of the document. It will tell you if there is a document or not, and if the document is ready for use. We can see that the revision, which is under the file states, is increasing each time we click on the Save button. This is because the system keeps track of the ever changes which are made of the document. Work on the document. When you want to work on the document, you first have to download an editable file, then do the changes you want and then upload it again. In order to download the file, you must click on the Import/Export icon, then select Export. You can choose the format of the file and the name of the file which will be created. By default, the name is Reference Version Language. It is a good name since it created a unique file name for this document. Once you download the file, you can edit it with the proper software. We recommend you to use OpenOffice. Once it is finished, you can re-upload the file as you did before. Click on Browse on the main tab of the document, select the document on your computer, then click on the Save button. You can see that the revision number has increased. Each change is recorded and kept in the system so you don't lose any information. Release the document. Once you created a document which is good enough, you can create a release. A release means that you mark the document as the official version of this document. For that, you can use Menu, Action, Release Document. Releasing a document is an important step. It makes the document official. It is not anymore a working copy of the document, but is a document which can be used. Hide, Publish, and Share. In order to share this document, you will have to choose different level of publication. You can choose between hiding the document, sharing it, and publishing it. Hiding the document is used when you already shared it or published it and you want to correct something on it. When you do so, only users who have the rights to edit the document can view it. Sharing the document is used to share it with a specific area of users which can log into your system. Depending on the classification of the document and the user's roles, which groups of projects, users of instance will be able to see the documents or not. Publishing the document will make it completely public. You can then give the URL to anyone. He will be able to see it. Prepare next version. After publishing the first version of your document, you might want to work on the next release. You can create a new document from scratch, but the easiest way is to duplicate the document which already exists, then to increase the version of the document. We now have a working copy of the document to prepare next version. You can work on it as we explained before. Release, publish the second version. As long as the new working copy stays in draft, the state of the previous version won't be changed. If either share or publish it, the old version will automatically publish. You are now able to manage and keep track of all your documents. Quick contribution. When you want to upload a document into ERP5, you have the possibility to use Contribute tab at the root of your ERP instance. You can then set up the title, keywords, comments. You can also add custom properties on your document such as language, reference, and version. Once all of those properties are filled in and the documents are saved, you can upload it thanks to the Contribute action, and all those properties will be displayed in the right fields. The same will be done by ERP5 with your document if you download a document from it. ERP5 will fill in all of those properties.
Hello everyone, I'm Francis Aninion and I'm discussing about the conclusion. ERP5 is an enterprise resource planning solution published as open source, which means transparency, flexibility, and evolutivity for customers. It also means no risk of forced upgrades, guaranteed lifetime maintainability, and of course no license fee and no requirement to stay with the same vendor or service company forever. ERP5 is a full-featured ERP, including customer relationship management, production management, supply chain management, product design management, accounting, human resources, and e-commerce. All ERP5 business processes are implemented based on ZOP transactional workflows. Workflows directly describe the business processes of the customer. ERP5 workflows can be customized through the web and extended to fit each other's specific needs. All the resources in ERP5 can be variated in any number of dimensions, providing built-in configuration for products and reduced design cost for bill of materials and bill of operations, as well as structured rule-based approaches to complex pricing. ERP5's interface is designed and optimized for the web and global business operations. Unlike most ERPs, ERP5 can be hosted on a single site and used worldwide over high latency VPNs without performance degradation or loss in usability. ERP5's interface is completely based on the UTF standard and supports complete internationalization and localization, including Asian languages and regions. ERP5's rapid development and configuration environment is also web-based and eases integration processes handled by disseminated teams of developers and consultants. All the configuration tasks, including class definition, workflow design, Python scripting, or category management, can be achieved in a browser. ERP5's design is based on a documentary approach and the classification of documents. All business information is managed in dedicated documents, just as it used to be a long time ago with paper and folders. Purchase invoice, sale invoice, person, product, etc. Categorization of document in multiple categories provides the base for reporting and aggregating information. Complex organizations are described as hierarchies of groups, sites, functions, roles, etc. Thanks to this design, a single ERP5 instance can manage a group of companies structured in subsidiaries, representation offices, business units, and partner companies, distributed all over the world with exclusive permission on sensitive documents. ERP5 is a simulation-based ERP. All future consequences of every business decision are calculated in real time according to configurable business rules and made available to reporting. MRP is an example of a simple application of ERP5's simulation-based approach. ERP5 simulation rules can be extended to cover new functional areas. ERP5 has been designed to support clusters of inexpensive Linux servers to provide high sociability. An ERP5 cluster can be monitored through a graphical interface and fine-tuned in order to get the higher performance. A general principle in ERP5 is to store data as it was entered by the user without further processing it. This guarantees that the data will remain consistent in the long term. It will not depend on potentially evolving business and calculation rules. To provide efficient reporting, ERP5 includes a flexible data warehouse engine which converts information entered by users into pre-processed data optimized for efficient table-based reporting. ERP5 itself embeds a fast PDF reporting engine which is used in many financial institutions. ERP5 includes a SyncML-based synchronization engine to enable deployment on remote sites with unreliable network connectivity, or to enable mobile users to bring a complete ERP5 system to their laptop and synchronize it later. That's all. Thank you.